Hi there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure the connection between your Exact Online account and Dataddo. To use the Exact connector, you'll just need to navigate to Data Sources, click on New Source, and choose from the list of available connectors. For this example, we will connect to Exact Online. At first, you need to choose from one of the Exact connectors. This depends on what data you want to work with. For example, there is a connector for CRM accounts, employee data, or invoices. We'll go with employees here. Now we set the following parameters to configure the connector. Division ID, which is a unique code for your company, and a country. Country means the Exact Online country version you're using. It can be UK, Netherlands, or France. Don't forget to label your source and select the correct Exact account for authorization here. Now in the data section, you can select which metrics and attributes you want to include in the data set. We can also automate this process, so in this case the data will be extracted daily at 7 a.m. London time. Now we'll click Retrieve Data and we can see a preview of the data and how exactly it will be extracted. And now we just click Save Source, and now the source is created and our data is in the system. We can now add this to an integration flow to integrate with data from other services outside of Exact, or even send the data to data warehouses, FTP servers, or BI or dashboarding apps like Tableau, Google Data Studio, or others. See our other tutorial videos for help with data outputs.